What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and just in case you're new here, I go hunting for Hot Wheels every single day, and then I crack them open right here on Daily Diecast. This is the ZAMAC episode. I ordered these from two different eBay sellers, and they came in on the same day, so it worked out perfectly. ZAMAC, for those that don't know, stands for, zinc, aluminum, magnesium, and copper. And these are the first ones in my collection, so I'm super stoked. Let's jump right into it with this awesome Skyline. Dig that one quite a bit. I do have this casting, but obviously not in the ZAMAC, and there it is right there. ZAMAC Special Edition from last year. All right, let's crack it open, and let's check it out. I believe these are Walmart exclusives, but I could be wrong about that. All right, there we go. There it is up close. Nice Grady Tampos, RS Turbo. Got the nice gold 5-spoke wheels against that ZAMAC, and there it is. A lot of people just call these unpainted, and that's pretty much what it is for the most part. There's the taillights. Looks pretty good. Very stoked on this one. There's the plastic black base for those who are curious. And the first one is in the books. Really like that one. Let's get that packaging off to the side here. And we'll put that one as so. All right, next one up, we're going to do this awesome Land Rover. I've been super into collecting Land Rovers lately. Such a fun casting, really cool cars. Dig it big time. Let's crack it open. Oh, and this one was from 2020, from this year, in case you were curious when this one came out. Don't ask me what case though, I'm really not sure. I would love to buy Hot Wheels by the case, but I haven't really found a way to do that yet, other than like Amazon. But anyway, there is the black 5-spoke wheels with the copper lip, or maybe orange. Yeah, it looks orange, maybe to match that orange stripe and some of the lettering on there. There's the front. Not a lot of detail, but it's all good. Rolled up windows. It does have side view mirrors. There's our spare tire. I just love these. This raw metal is just so awesome. And there's the black plastic base for those that wanted to see it. And I am super amped on that one as well. Let's put it right there next to my Skyline. Awesome. All right, what to do next? Let's do a Honda. We got us an 18 Type R, also from 2020. And I believe this completes my Type R collection. Oh, I just now realized that it has red windows. Awesome. That's super rad. All right, let's crack it open and take a look at our new little diecast friend here. Oh, that's so cool. Same black wheels with the red lid, but those red windows are so awesome. Some packaging there on the windshield. But honestly, that's one of the nicest windshields I've got from a Hot Wheels lately. A lot of times I get them, they have kind of scuffed up windshields. I have to polish them out. But they do polish up quite nicely. There is the Tampo in the front, representing the headlights, the Honda badge, and the Type R emblem. Looks really good. The mesh looks good too. Nice middle wing, obviously. Very cool. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Very cool. Definitely one of my favorite cars in today's video. Really like that one. Next up, another Honda. The Moto in ZAMAC. This one came out in 2018. Well before I started collecting Hot Wheels or any kind of diecast. I started my diecast journey with really expensive cars like Auto Art and MR and TCM. But to be honest with you, I've gotten so much more joy out of collecting Hot Wheels. I don't know what it is. I just love these awesome little cars. They really stoke me out. And let's go ahead and crack this one open and look at it more carefully. Awesome. 5-spoke split star wheels, red chrome lip, side view mirrors, rolled up windows. Of course, the amazing Moto Tampo. So rad. There's the front. Oh, the Type R looks amazing. It has Type R twice on this one. Interesting. I wonder if the other ones are like that. I gotta double check. That's pretty neat. Let's Check out the back. Not a lot of detail back there, but it's all good. Nice big metal wing. And the base for those that wanted to see. And wow, I absolutely love this car. I'm so happy to have this one in the collection. Let's put it right there next to the other Civic. All right, and the very last one up in this video is NSX from last year. This car is really something special. Love NSXs in real life, in Hot Wheels form, in any form really. Old body style, new body style, I love them all. Oh, it's excellent. That crazy finish. Black wheels, red chrome lip. These windows are rolled down, and there's no side view mirrors, unfortunately. And that's closer to what I mean when I get like scuffed up windshields, but again, it's all good. It comes pretty clean. Just put a little polish and a microfiber. There's the front of the car. You can see the nice LED headlights and the Acura emblem. It's really hard to see though. I wonder if that helps. Hope you guys can see that. Anyway, there's the taillights and the Acura emblem once again. And there is the plastic base for those that wanted to see. What a beautiful car. And let's check them all out together. Look at all of this ZAMAC. Let's do a quick recap. There's my Skyline, Land Rover, 2 Civics, and an NSX. Man, life is good. I am so happy with today's haul. So amped right now. Thank you to everybody that watched this video. If you're into Hot Wheels content, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Again, my name is Jesse, and we will see you guys tomorrow.